In this video, I'll show you how to pause your marketing plan in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. On the right-hand side, simply click on your profile. Now, below your profile, head over to the third option, which is profile. That will automatically take you to the preview of your profile. From here, you want to head over to the top and click on the second option, which is settings. And at the bottom of settings, click on the last option, which is manage my plan. Now that will take you to your plan. From here, you want to scroll down and you will find an option to temporarily pause your marketing plan. So at the bottom, if you click on pause plan, from here, you can choose either 3 months or 6 months. Now in here, you will have 3 passes. This means that you can pause your plan twice a year or 3 times a year. Let's say we want to resume after 6 months, and at the bottom, click on pause marketing plan. Once you do that, it will confirm the pause, and as you can see, it will automatically take you to the section wherein it will say that your marketing plan is paused. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.